Imagine a world where folding laundry is no longer a tedious chore on your to-do list. Thanks to Figure's groundbreaking Helix model, that future may be closer than you think. In a captivating video demonstration, a humanoid robot powered by Helix carefully folds towels one by one, stacking them neatly in a basket. But here's where it gets really impressive. Helix is a generalist vision language action (VLA) model that merges perception, language comprehension, and learned control, tackling several long-standing challenges in robotics. This represents a major leap toward robots that can seamlessly interpret their surroundings, understand instructions, and perform complex tasks with human-like adaptability. The robot's movements are steady but not perfect, occasionally making fold adjustments before continuing, demonstrating a focus on completing the task rather than exactitude. Helix-equipped robots can handle a wide variety of small household items, even those they haven't previously encountered, guided by natural language prompts for intuitive operation. The system uses a single set of neural network weights to learn multiple behaviors, eliminating the need for task-specific fine-tuning. This streamlined approach not only accelerates development, but also expands versatility. And here's the kicker. Helix operates entirely on embedded low-power GPUs, making it both efficient and practical for commercial use. By combining nuanced control, adaptability, and low-power operation, Helix sets a new benchmark for generalist humanoid robot capability in complex everyday environments. But what do you think? Are we ready for a future where robots handle our household chores? Let us know in the comments below.